How to combine exponents. X asterisk asterisk A asterisk asterisk B equals X asterisk asterisk A asterisk B. How to simplify exponents in equations in sympy. And if it is not possible with sympy, which module should I import in Python? Edit. Even if I define B as real and also all other symbols. B equals symbols, B real equals true. Not getting simplified exponents. It simplifies only if exponents are constants.
This may be related to this bug.
xm, n equals xmn is true only if m, n are real. A fake. Sympy supports complex numbers, so I believe this simplification should not be done unless you can prove b is real. Edit. It is also false if x is not positive. Edit. By Nibbler here is the original example with Kenny's restrictions applied.